How many of you woke up this morning, leapt out of the bed and go, oh, I can't wait to sit for 3 hours just to hear a guy from Kentucky with a draw? I'm going to give you 5 questions that every decision maker needs to have the answers to before he or she can feel comfortable in making a decision.
Find the ability to talk with people, not as an authority, but as an information source.
Change is situational, whereas transition is psychological. Just because you change does not mean the transition happens as easily. All too often, we let our expertise as sales professionals get in the way of our communication.
It is your job to communicate effectively.
One generation, maybe 2 generations ago, loyalty was he gave me a job. Notice I said he gave me a job, because that too has changed, right? We have half the group in here that are in leadership position that are female. So 1 generation, maybe 2 generations ago, he gave me a job, so therefore I owe him loyalty. Now today is, they hired me, they're getting a lot out of me, they ought to be happy they got me. Loyalty has to be a two-way street. It can't be one or the other. It's got to be a shared experience. I'm going to show you how to sell ideas up. Sell ideas to decision makers, not just to customers.
Talk with people. Not at people, not around people, not behind people, not down to people, not over people. Talk with people.